Introducing Mia Albano.
Hi everybody, this is Mia cooking, and I learned it from my sister Julie. Maybe if your sister is big and she knows how to crop, maybe you can ask her to learn how to crop. So this is how I know how to crop. Does anybody learn that?
Keep dancing. Dance to the music.
Does anybody learn that? Raise your hand if when you were a little girl.
Check it out. I don't know what this world's gonna bring, but I know one thing, that this is the life for me. Baby, 'cause I'm a thug.